Can you just hold them up?
What the
Oh my god, the ball. Guys. I want to do this deep. Is it like crazy? Looks heavy. I wanna just check how heavy.
No way, man. Stop it.
It's like a stone. Crazy.
Don't do that. Don't do that. It's fine.
I never saw weights like this before. Even like one side I can lift.
Don't do that, bro. Do that.
How you so strong? How I can do the same weight?
20 years experience, bro.
20 years?
Yeah.
I need 20 years to do like same?
Yeah.
Maybe I will lift like tomorrow this weight or not?
Never.
Never?
Never.
If it's not tomorrow, maybe today I can lift.
No. Never. Today? You want
Today. Not today, just today like.
No way. Don't do this, bro. You waste our time.
I will just try one more time.
No. Don't do this.
I don't know like.
Don't waste our time. You gotta do. Yeah.
Just one more time I will try. Oh, this. Oh, like this much more comfortable. Is it like? It's wrong or something not good? I always do everything not good.
How can you do?
I don't know, like always my mom told me not good, my coach told me not good, like everything is not good. Can you just hold them up?
What the It's so heavy, bro.
What do you mean? Why you like laughing? Laughing because technique not good or something like?
Oh my god.
Next time we'll try to do better.
Bro, anytime.